Hello students, in this video we will learn algorithm for infix to prefix conversion. Step 1 is push closing bracket onto the stack and open bracket at the start of infix expression. Step 2 is reverse the string or expression. So in first step we have push a closing bracket into the stack and open bracket at the start of infix expression. Then now we have to reverse this infix expression like this. Step 3 is repeat step 3 to 6 until the stack is empty while scanning infix expression from left to right. That means we have to scan this in reversed infix expression from left to right and take one input symbol at a time, and we have to repeat these steps from 3 to 7 until we get stack empty. In this example, our first input symbol is closing bracket. So see in step 5, if an closing bracket encountered, push onto the stack. So you can see as symbol is closing bracket, we push it into the stack. Next input symbol is an operand. So what we have to do if an operand is encountered? So if an operand is encountered as an input symbol, add to it in the prefix expression. So whenever the input symbol is operand, we have to add it into the prefix expression. Now next input symbol is an operator, which is minus. Step 6 is if an operator is encountered as an input symbol, then repeatedly pop operators from stack and add to the prefix expression each operator which has higher precedence the operator encountered. And step B is push input operator on stack. Okay, what it means, here you can see we get minus, which is an operator, and the top operator of the stack is closing bracket. As closing bracket has lower precedence than minus, so we can push minus into the stack. Here you can see when multiplication is encountered, this multiplication has higher precedence than top operator of the stack, so we can push multiplication into the stack. But whenever we get an operator as an input symbol which has lower precedence than top operator of stack, that means operator of the stack has higher precedence than input operator, then we have to pop operator from the stack and then we compare plus with top operator of the stack. If plus has higher precedence or equal precedence, then it can only be pushed into the stack. Suppose in a stack we have closing bracket, multiplication, then division, then dollar, and plus operator encountered. As dollar has higher precedence than plus, we pop dollar from the stack. Then we compare plus and division. As division has higher precedence, we pop this division from the stack and add it into the prefix expression. And also multiplication has higher precedence than plus, so we also pop this operator from the stack and add it into the prefix expression. When top operator of stack has equal or lesser precedence as compared to input symbol, then we can only insert the input symbol into the stack. Here top operator of stack is closing bracket which has lower precedence as compared to plus, so we can push plus over closing bracket. If there is plus or minus inside the stack and plus and minus top operator of stack both have same precedence, we can push plus over top operator of stack. That means same precedence order operators can be placed over each other in stack in infix to prefix conversion, but we cannot do this in infix to postfix conversion. So if an operator is encountered, we repeatedly pop operators from the stack and add it into the prefix expression each operator which has higher precedence than the operator encountered. When all the higher precedence operators popped out from the stack, we push input operator on stack. You can also see here that as minus operator encountered as input symbol and dollar has higher precedence than minus operator, so we have to pop this dollar from the stack and add it into the prefix expression. Now top of stack operator is multiplication which also has higher precedence than minus, so we have to pop out from the stack and add it into prefix expression. Now compare minus and plus as both have same precedence. Here you can see we can only pop all the operators which has higher precedence than the input operator encountered. But here you can see both have same precedence operator, so we cannot pop plus from the stack. We push minus over the plus into the stack. Step 7 is if an open bracket is encountered, repeatedly pop operators from the stack and add it into the prefix expression each operator until an closing bracket is encountered. Here you can see as open bracket is encountered, we have to pop all the operators from the stack until we get an closing bracket. So dollar will be popped out and added into the prefix expression. As we get a closing bracket, we have to, in step 7b, we have to remove closing bracket from the stack. Now the stack contains these operators. And step 8 is AND. So you can use algorithm to solve this infix expression. You will get plus 5 into 3 minus 5 4 is the required prefix expression for this given infix expression. In next video we will learn recursion. Thank you.